Hello, good afternoon. This is my first live. I've been waiting for this live for a long time because it is necessary, I think, for all of our patients who live abroad, who had problems with accessibility with the Armenian medical services and especially dental services, is a periodontist. Today, we're going to talk about the periodontal problems and the dental issues that you can solve in Armenia, even if you are in other countries and you have problems to come to Armenia to have some consultations and to do all of necessary treatments. I'm a periodontist and a general dentist and implantologist. So in our clinic, if you are following my and you are subscribed to my YouTube channels, you know that in our clinic we are doing nearly all of the types of dental and periodontal procedures, starting from general dental procedures like fillings, root canal treatments, and dentures, and prosthodontic, all of the prosthodontic procedures, orthodontics, and etc. Till periodontal practices, till periodontal treatments, surgical treatments, and periodontal therapeutic treatments. Also, I have to mention that you cannot be a periodontist without having enough knowledge of general oral hygiene, which is very, very important. We will talk about that a little bit later. So if you live abroad in the European countries, in United States, Canada, or elsewhere in the Middle East, in Russia, Ukraine, um, you can easily access to our clinic, to my pages through any messenger, through social networks, starting from WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and etc. So everywhere we are available. You can have appointment for your consultation, for online consultations, which is available now in our clinic, and I am personally doing all of that consultations. And definitely we can plan all of your treatment till your visit to Armenia, till your plane will arrive in our soil. So it is very easy. If you have some questions, where to go, which country to choose for your dental treatments and periodontal treatment, and you hesitate, you don't know exactly which countries doctors will do that better and for a very affordable price, then my advice to have consultations with all of that physicians, and you'll understand who is doing their job good, and you'll have at that time variety of doctors and variety of clinics to choose. So we're going to start from the most common question. I think if you're living abroad and you want to have implants, for the implant installation in Armenia, it is feels like very difficult, but in reality not. Why? Because you can have the same let's start with from the very beginning. If you're going to have consultation with me, online consultation, I mean, then definitely you need to have your CT scan, computer tomography, CT, which will provide and which will help us to create treatment plan before consultation. And the consultation will last about 30 minutes till 1 hour. And during that consultation, I will provide all of the available opportunities of treatment and all of the available variants for you. And also together with that variant, also pricing and timing will be included in that treatment plan. I'm talking about implant placements. I'm not talking about um, total rehabilitation or periodontal treatment because they last a little bit longer. Not a little bit, but not a little bit, but for that kind of treatments, we need more time. For the implants, nowadays surgical guides offer us a very interesting and easy way to place the implants, and sometimes the implant placement even for the entire mouth, like 8, 10, or 12 implants will last one visit or two visits. And for the implants, you don't need to hesitate, and you can go forward and book your appointment and do consultation, and we will provide all of the necessary variants. So many people from abroad, they are asking about the firms and producers of the implants. Nowadays we are using available nearly all of the available firms and producers products, starting from the French, German, Swiss, American, and Japanese, Korean, and I'm gonna say more implants. So you can be sure that we will give you a very, very logical and very um, good treatment plan, which will be customized especially for you, not generally for everybody. Okay, so the implant placement is not a problem at all. So you can book your consultation, and we can choose the exact dates for your arrival and for the entire treatment. And then after that, definitely we'll have the treatment done, and definitely after that we will talk about the timing, because you know that right after the implant placement it is possible nowadays to put the temporary crowns and temporary teeth, and you can go back to your country with normal teeth. And after that it depends on the specific treatment plan. If sometimes we need to wait 3 to 4 months, sometimes like 10 to 12 months till the osseointegration process will be done. After that you're coming again and coming back, and we are trying to do the prosthodontic stage of the implant placement, which is the main teeth. In this time, not temporary teeth, but primary. So these are all about implant treatment. So for consultation, if you want to book consultation, you can write on WhatsApp +37498107020, and you'll find that number everywhere in my channel. And if you're using other social platforms, you can find all of the contacts there. Our clinic is located in the center of Yerevan, nearly in the center, so it is easy to find. Okay, so what about periodontal treatments? Periodontal treatments are very popular in the West, I must say, in the United States, in Canada, and in many European countries. But it is getting its popularity right now in Armenia also, because in Armenia we have many good periodontists, and they are also doing their treatments they also do their treatments based on American guidelines and Western guidelines. So it is very important to understand that you can come also for the periodontal treatment, for the oral hygiene, um, for hygienists, and all of that kind of treatments we provide and we do in our clinic. What is periodontal treatment at all? Periodontal treatment, gum disease, or any treatment connected with the gums, or that includes or involve the gum tissue and all of the surrounding tissues of the root. We call them periodontal tissues and periodontal problems. All of the problems connected with that tissues, that group of tissues. So, starting that from the excellent definition of periodontal. Starting from bleeding, starting from bad smell. These are all, or reddish and gums, and the gums with the edema. These are all the main symptoms of the periodontal disease. So if you have that kind of symptoms, or maybe you have already diagnosed with any periodontal disease in your country, it is very uh, popular to and easy to come to Armenia and to do all of the treatments in our clinic. It is possible. We are doing that kind of treatments. And um, again, you can do consultation online. Of course, online consultations are not enough to create the entire treatment plan for the periodontal treatments, not for implants, but it will give you some abilities, some um, you'll have some information about your upcoming treatments, and you can easily choose which variant will fit you better. So about periodontal treatment, personally, I'm separating periodontal treatment into three main parts. The first part is consultations, which must be in our clinic, not online consultation. Yes, you can do some online consultations, but also you have to come to our clinic for the consultations here, because it includes teaching person how do they um, care about their personal oral hygiene, because oral hygiene index is very important to start any periodontal treatment and to do any periodontal procedures. That's why the first part is consultation, or I'm going to say many consultations till the main treatment. The consultations mandatory. They are mandatory to start any treatment, even therapeutic treatment. And the next step is therapeutic treatment for the periodontal diseases. And after finishing successfully therapeutic treatment, we can do surgical treatments, which are very, very important, because nowadays it is very popular to have bone loss, to have um, lost teeth, and to have problems with the implant placement because of bone loss, and with complete dentures and etc. Okay, all of that kind of problems we can solve in our clinic in a very using very modern guidelines, only Western guidelines. Okay, so except periodontal treatment and implant treatment, you can come also for the porcelain veneers, zirconia-based crowns, dentures, and complete dentures or partial dentures, for bridges, for fillings, for root canal treatments. All of that treatments um, are possible to do in our clinic. You can again have an appointment for consultation if you have x-ray, because x-ray is mandatory, I think, to talk about any treatment. And after that, definitely you can come, and we can solve all of that problems. If you have questions about online consultations, about the treatment, about the pricing, about the timing of that treatments, you can write on WhatsApp, on Viber, on Telegram, plus 374 98 10 70 20. And you can write me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and you can find all of our contacts. My contacts are very visible on every platform. Okay, if you have questions, you can write down the questions, and during the next live, I'll try to answer for all of your questions.